Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to stitch a sari fall by hand. No machine needed. Let's dive right in. First, gather your materials: a sari, a fall fabric pieces, matching threads, scissor and a needle. Make sure your fall fabric is the right length. Generally it should be about 6 to 8 inch wide. Now lay your sari flat and position the fall along the bottom edges of the sari. Pin it in place to keep it secure while you work. This step is crucial for an even finish. Next, thread your needle with a double strength of thread for added strength. Start stitching from one end of the sari and use a simple running stitch or a back stitch for durability. Remember to keep your stitches small and even. This will give you a neat finish. As you stitch periodically, check that the fall is lying properly with the sari. This ensures there are no puckers or uneven edges. If you encounter any excess fabric, trim it down carefully. Once you reach the other end, tie off your thread securely and trim any excess. Don't forget to remove the pin. And there you have it, beautiful stitches, sari fall without any machine. This technique not only enhance the look of your sari but also add durability to its hem. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends who love sari. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content and entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than word can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspiration to your life. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye, take care.